Here is my final word tonight. Mr. President, Senator Bola Tinubu, it is to you tonight that I bring the burden and plight of our people too. I trust this message finds you in good health and high spirits.
There are so many things going on in Nigeria now. Nigerian internet space has been distracted with the purported sack of Seun Okinbaloye. That is a fake news. Seun has not been sacked. He's not sacked. Seun is enjoying his vacation in the United States of America, and people are posting here and there that this man has been sacked. We have a lot of things to focus. We have a lot of things to think about. We have a lot of things to discuss and to prepare. You see what is ahead of us. You know what we are preparing for. You know what Nigerians are supposed to focus on. You see, all these APC people, they are good at one thing. They are good at distracting people. They are very good at carrying out some news that will make you not to think about the hardship. Let me give you an example. How many people are singing the new national anthem now? Nobody is even interested in learning it. Because of the hardship, when the hardship was increasing inflation, they just used that one to distract Nigerians. That is the propaganda of the APC. So you that is sharing the news that Seun Okinbaloye have been sacked, you are one of the people that is aiding these APC people to distract us from the upcoming protests that we are preparing. Come on, stop sending me that kind of message that Seun have been sacked. I keep on responding to people, he's not sacked, he's not sacked. They keep on sending me more videos. Look at this one posted it, this one posted it. That man has not been sacked. And there is no one that will sack that man from Chinese television because he himself is a Chinese television. And without him, you know that so many people will not have interest in that Chinese television. Just like Arise News. You know, me personally, I started watching Arise News because of Rufai Oseni. To be sincere, I started watching Arise News because of Rufai Oseni. So I believe that there are some, individuals that an organization must hold to a high esteem, and Seun is one of the people, very responsible man, very intelligent, and I like his integrity, I like his style of journalism and everything. In fact, I admired him. So it is important for us to disregard any news that this man has been sacked. This man is not sacked. He has not been sacked. Very soon he will come back. He's enjoying himself, his vacation in the United States of America. So if anyone sends such message to you, tell him that Seun is not sacked, has not been sacked, and Seun will remain a staff of the Chinese television.
Here is my final word tonight.
Now, about the video that people are using to, to back up their fake news that this is a video that led Seun to be sacked from Chinese television. That video was the video of 2023. When Tinubu was going to France, for the very first time, he was going to France after the inauguration. And everything was collapsing because he just removed the fuel subsidy, unprepared, and everything was collapsing. Inflation was going high, the price of fuel was going high. Nigeria was in chaos, and Nigeria is still in chaos up till now. But that was the beginning of the chaotic situation under Tinubu's administration. So when Tinubu was going to France, I think he was going for medical checkup. Then that was when Seun now made the statement. This video is more than 1 year video. So to come out and just put the video up to distract people who are preparing for protest, I think it's not important, okay? So take your time and watch this video. Go back to Chinese television and verify what I'm saying. Don't just believe anything. Go and verify what I'm saying. But by the way, Seun Okinbaloye is coming back very soon and take his position back. He has not been sacked. He just went for vacation. Thank you.
Mr. President, Senator Bola Tinubu, it is to you tonight that I bring the burden and plight of our people too. I trust this message finds you in good health and high spirits as you continue to navigate the intricate responsibilities that come with the esteemed position you hold. It is with a heavy heart and deep concern that I pass this message on the current state of our beloved nation, Nigeria. In a time when the heartbeat of our nation is racing with fear and the very fabric of our society is tearing at the seams, we stand at a crossroads. President Tinubu, the nation calls for your undivided attention as you embark on a private visit to France. Our beloved Nigeria is grappling with unprecedented challenges that demand urgent and decisive action. Kidnapping and abductions are the order of the day. From Lagos to Kaduna, Taraba, and violent and criminal activities have pervaded our land. Even in the heart of our nation's capital, the audacity of kidnappers has become a sinister reality, striking fear into the hearts of our people. Our citizens are living in constant fear, unsure of their safety and the safety of their loved ones. This is not the Nigeria we dreamed of, not the renewed hope that was promised. We applaud the gallantry of our security operatives, but indeed more work still needs to be done to keep the people safe. Efforts are being made, but it appears they are not far enough. What has become the strategies of state policing and community policing that's been talked about several years, and the huge white papers and advisory notes on how to tackle insecurity in Nigeria? Where are they? President Tinubu, as a pro-democracy agitator, isn't it the right time to restructure Nigeria for it to work properly? Is the Nigeria you and your friends fought for, is it the Nigeria that you're talking about? The removal of subsidies has unleashed a tidal wave of economic downturn, leaving families struggling to make ends meet. Prices of commodities have gone through the roof. The biting effects are felt across the nation, and the loss of confidence in the government is palpable. This is not a time for complacency. It is a time for bold, unwavering leadership, Mr. President. I think it is about time to get the nation's eggheads in one room and find a lasting cure to our ailing economy. As you stand on foreign soil, Mr. President, remember the weight of your responsibility to the Nigerian people. Our citizens, including those who voted for you, are losing faith in the government. The implications of the loss of confidence are far-reaching. And as a leader, you cannot afford to look away. Investors are fleeing the nation like never before. Economic potential of Nigeria is being squandered, and the consequences will be felt for generations. We urge you, Mr. President, to take immediate measures to create an environment that attracts and retains investment. The clock is ticking, and our economic future is at stake. Mr. President, the time to act is now. Swift and decisive measures are needed to curb the escalating insecurity, alleviate the economic burden on citizens, and restore the confidence in the government. This is not only a call to fulfill campaign promises, but a plea for the preservation of our great nation. Mr. President, our regional leadership is hanging in the balance. Some members of ECOWAS are signaling exit, and Nigeria's influence is under threat. It is time to reassert your leadership, strengthen diplomatic ties, and secure our place in the Committee of Nations. As journalists, we will not shy away from probing, inspiring, and holding leaders accountable. President Tinubu, live up to the expectations of your calling and the mandate upon which your office stands. The Nigerian people deserve more. They deserve a leader who acts with urgency, integrity, and unwavering commitment to the well-being of our great nation. The challenges may be daunting, but if you are resolute and carry the people along, we can all together overcome. The giant of Africa must now rise and take his rightful place in the Committee of Nations and harness its potentials for the Nigerian people to smile again. God bless this Federal Republic of Nigeria. And this is my final word tonight.